Hey friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how to elevate this look, which is your simple dash out the door look that you do in 5 minutes or less that you guys already know how to do. Elevate it from this to this. I love it. So I'm going to teach you guys, just stay tuned, it's a super quick video on how to spice up your thing and have a pumpkin spice look for the fall season. So super quick tutorial. It's super easy. You do your dash out the door, which you guys know. You do your foundation, your under eye corrector, some blush, some bronzer if you really want, and then you go ahead and put your here it is, your cream eyeshadow in beach blonde, and then you're gonna put your cream, that one goes all over your lid, and then you're gonna put your cream eyeshadow in iced cocoa in the crease, and then you're gonna put your favorite mascara on, and maybe even a little bit eyeliner if you want, of our brown eyeliner, but your mascara, and that's your dash out the door. You could even do your brows, your wow brows, which takes like less than a minute to do. So that's your dash out the door. You're gonna take your age fighting lip primer. This stuff is awesome. It's gonna help with the fine lines on your lip area and around your lips, and it's really just gonna help smooth them out and keep your lips looking good. So you're gonna put this all over your lips. It's kind of like a lip balm. It's really nice. Then you're gonna take this, which is your lip liner. I'm using the light nude, but you could use the light nude, the medium nude, or the darker nude. Just use the nude that you usually use. It really doesn't make much of a difference. And you're just gonna line your lips. Obviously you can overline your lips if you want to, but I don't really do that too much because I already have pretty full lips. But overlining your lips really isn't difficult. You just want to create a new line right behind your other line. Granted, you're not going to draw this crazy new lip, but if you want to overline, you just line a little bit behind your normal line. So I'm just going to line my lips, which is really easy. You just trace, so you go around like this. And then I like to fill in a little bit. I don't fill in too much, but I fill in a little bit. So the secret to lip lining is that it makes your lipstick look a lot better, and it helps with longevity, and it helps keep your lipstick from bleeding throughout. And the primer does help with bleeding as well, but the lip liner really does help keep bleeding, and it just keeps everything in place, which is awesome, and obviously with longevity. Then we're going to add our pumpkin spice to our fall look, which is awesome. So this lipstick is one of our gel lipsticks, and it's in the color Spiced Ginger, and you can see it's so nice. I love these lipsticks. I'm like obsessed with them. I have it in like every color, and it's really nice and sleek. So it's Spiced Ginger, and that's what it looks like, and it's just a really pretty like taupey color, and you're just gonna put this all over your lips, and that's really it. Is the Spiced Ginger, and look at that. I mean, you literally go day to night different. You look so fall. It's awesome, and you could even put your hair down. It's just so cute. I love it. I really do. This is so fall. It's so pumpkin. It's so easy to doll it up. You could always glam up your eyeshadow a little bit more and add maybe some rose gold. Rose gold would look really pretty with this. You could add some rose gold in the crease, but really just you're done. You do your dash out the door, you let your hair down, whatever your hair is, and you're good to go, and you are fall, and you are ready to go drink a pumpkin spice latte and pretend like it's cold outside, because we all know South Florida, or any part of Florida, is not cold, and it never gets cold, but we could pretend we could drink pumpkin spice lattes to our heart's content. So these are the products that we used. So we used our lip primer. Our lip primer is $24, very inexpensive. It lasts forever. So this is our lip primer. I really believe in it. It's anti-aging. It's awesome. Then we have our lip liner, which is also amazing. We have them in so many different colors. It's really just great. If you like wearing multiple lips, I always suggest starting at least the very minimum with a nude liner, because you could use nude liners pretty much under anything. So the lip liner is $12. This is awesome. You guys, a lot of you already use our lip liners. You know just how creamy they are and amazing. So this is our lip liner. It lasts forever as well. And then we have our gel lipsticks. Our gel lipsticks are super soft and creamy. They're amazing. And this is $18, which is also also very inexpensive. So this comes in a lot of different colors. The one that we use today is the Spice Ginger, which really looks good on everyone, so that's awesome. So this, and to get all 3 of them in total, it's only $54 for all 3, and you have yourself a pumpkin spiced latte, just fun look for fall. So I hope you guys are having a great day and a blessed day. I'm so thankful for you guys, seriously so thankful. I know I'm always telling you guys, but I feel like it's just not enough to express my heart's gratitude, especially just in this season, because fall and winter just makes me really thankful and just look at my life and be so grateful that I have time to spend with my family and all these amazing moments. And you guys know that we're engaged and we're getting married in February, and it's just really, it's a sweet season, and I get to live this life because of you guys. You know, we're paying for our own wedding and everything, so it's amazing, and I'm so thankful. Honestly, this, like, it could be the smallest thing that you guys purchase from me here and there, but you know what, it really does make a difference, and I'm so thankful because it's thanks to you guys that I really get to live the dream, seriously live the dream. So I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you for shopping with me, and like literally fueling my life, fueling my family life, and soon it'll be my marriage that you guys feel. So I'm so thankful for you guys. You guys are incredible, and I hope you have a blessed and amazing day. Bye guys.